Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of Classics. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. This is your General Science Unit, and I'm your teacher, Ms. Ghazal Rahil from Falconers Grammar School, Campus 9. So, students, today we are going to continue our revision work of chapter solutions, and today I have selected topic of fractional distillation from this chapter. For that purpose, you have to open your book, page number 168. First of all, we have to know what is fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is a process which separates a mixture of liquid into number of different parts called fractions. Basically, this process or fractional distillation process involves two processes. Number one is boiling and number two is condensing. Okay, boiling is the process which needs heat, whereas condensing is a process which gives out heat. Okay, there is one question of test yourself which is on page number 169 of your textbook. Question number 4, which is saying describe how would you separate fractional distillation to separate a solution of liquid A, boiling point having the temperature of 56 degrees Celsius, liquid B having the boiling point of 72 degrees Celsius, and liquid C, boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. Basically, a mixture of solution is given, and they are telling us that this mixture of solution contains three types of liquids. Liquid A, boiling point 56 degrees Celsius, liquid B 72 degrees Celsius, and liquid C, boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius. So student, for that purpose, first of all, I want to tell you about the method of fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is basically contains for the fractional distillation, the apparatus which is required is a thermometer and a flask, round bottom flask or whatever. Okay, Bunsen burner, we will gonna require a condenser and a beaker which will used in order to collect the condensed liquid. Okay, fractionating column is also provided where we have a thermometer inserted, and what will gonna happen here, we will check and obtain or observe the temperature of the liquid. Is that clear? We basically with this temperature we will gonna examine the boiling point or the temperature of the steam which will pass through from this column, and then it enters into the condenser, and at the end here in the condenser the steam will convert it into liquid which eventually came and collected in this flask. Is that clear? This is the process or this is the method of the fractional distillation. Now for that question, the mixture given in question number 4, which contains liquid A, B and liquid C, we will gonna put that liquid in this round bottom flask. We will gonna provide heat to that liquid and the boiling process will gonna start. As we know from this question that the liquid A has the least boiling point which is of 50 degrees Celsius, 56 degrees Celsius. Okay, what will gonna happen, I will gonna observe the temperature on this thermometer, and at 56 degrees Celsius steam will gonna form as liquid A will gonna turn into steam. What will gonna happen, this steam will travels down and condensed air, and again it will converted into water or in that liquid, and in this place we can collect liquid A at 56 degrees Celsius. Okay, in this way I have collected from the mixture of the liquid, I have collected liquid A whose boiling point is 56 degrees Celsius. Afterwards, I will remove this beaker, this flask, and place another new one flask over there. I didn't stop the process. I will not gonna stop the process of heating it. The liquid is continued to boil. Is that clear? And at boiling point 72 degrees Celsius, I will gonna collect liquid B in this flask or beaker. Is that clear? With the process of steam, formation of steam, and then the condensing, I will gonna collect liquid B at the boiling point of 72 degrees Celsius. When it starts to be collected, what I will do, I will collect liquid B and then remove the flask again and then place another one flask and continued heating the mixture. Same wise, at 100 degrees Celsius, I will gonna obtain liquid C. I will continue heating that mixture of liquid which ultimately only contain liquid C because I have already extracted liquid A and liquid B. Whenever this thermometer will gonna show 100 degrees Celsius, I will gonna obtain the steam which condenses and converts into liquid C. In this way, we have separated liquid A, liquid B and liquid C from the mixture of the liquid. Is that clear? This whole process is known as fractional distillation. I hope you can answer this question very easily now. Important points that you have to keep in your mind is that liquid will be separated according to their temperature. Okay, least lower temperature will boil first, as can be collected through condensing process. Is that clear to everyone? This is all for today's lecture. I hope it's clear now for all of you. Take very good care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.